In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two license plate bracket bolts. Remove the license plate. To remove the bracket, we're going to tilt forward and push back. That'll disconnect these hooks and allow you to remove the license plate bracket. On the back bottom of the license plate bracket, you're going to find these hooks. These are going to hook to the bottom of the grille. We're going to install it on the bottom, feel those hooks grab, and hinge it up towards the top. Drop your plate into the bracket. It'll hook on these bottom two joints, and then install the screws. Snug the bolts down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.